Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your preferences on Momondo. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then go to your profile, which is at the top right corner, and then you can see the preferences section. Customize your search preferences to see more of the results you want. So here you can see the search preferences section. The first is airports. Search for flights more easily by saving your home airport and other airports you travel through often. So here you can add your home airport and secondary airport, and in this way your search results will be better. And then the airlines, get better search results by adding your airline preferences. Here you can set the preferred airlines, and after that the avoid airlines, this will be hidden from the results. After that the booking sites, preferred and avoid here as well. Then the property chains, get better search results by adding your property chain preferences. And then the places, add a place, easily find properties and rentals near the places you frequently visit. And then the last section is the autofill settings. First, the travelers, book faster by adding your information and your fellow travelers. So in this way you do not have to type in every time your information. And then the payment method, book faster by adding your information and your fellow travelers. So here you can add the payment method, name on card, card number, and so on. You can save it, and in this way your life will be easier. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.